Hello WordPress peoples, in this video I'm gonna talk about a new plugin called BuddyPress AI Responder. So what this plugin does, it welcomes users in a BuddyPress group when they add their first activity to a group. So currently it is compatible with BuddyPress only, and here is the glimpse of this plugin. So user adds an activity. It is the user's first activity in a group. Then this autoresponder will welcome or respond with a welcome message. So this is the basic feature of this plugin. So let's see how does it work. So first you have to download the plugin. Now I'm gonna open my local site, and I will add that plugin to my site. Let's activate it. So it says this plugin is dependent on BuddyPress plugin, so we have to install that plugin first. Now I'm gonna add BuddyPress plugin. Let's quickly install it. Let's activate, and let me enable all the components because it depends on groups. Now let's go to URLs, and here is the group directory URL. So it's not looking good, so I'm gonna set permalink. Now I will go to BuddyPress setting URLs, and this is the groups. So currently there is no group available, but before that we have to configure the autoresponder. So this we have to add Gemini API key and the voice RSS, which is coming soon. So I'm gonna open So I'm gonna click on get API key and create API key, and I will say my project, and copy, and that's it. We have to add that API key over here. Then we have to provide a prompt for Gemini. So I'm gonna say you are a group representative, welcome users on board. Your response should be not more than 100 words. Try first 50 words as a generic message and remaining should be the response of user query if possible. So kind of something, whatever you want to give Gemini prompt, just give it. Now let's save changes. So our changes are saved. Now we have to set autoresponder as well. So I'm gonna click generate autoresponder and it generates a new user which will act as an autoresponder. But I don't like the name of this responder, so I'm gonna say Sonia and display name is Sonia. And I would say a bot. Now if I go over here, so it will now say Sonia a bot, which is an autoresponder. Now let's go to groups and quickly create a group. So I will say dope. Should be public, so I'm gonna quickly create the group. And now I'm gonna add my first activity. So now Sonia bot is replying or welcoming. So it generates this kind of response, and this applies to only first activity. If user adds another one, then now it won't add the auto response. So this is how the plugin works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.